you need to feel it. You need to feel your anger without judgment and allowing it to be in your body, in your mind. But the release usually will happen automatically. What the challenge is that unfortunately, we make it worse in our mind. We ruminate, we judge, we amplify these emotions in our mind when it's become thoughts that really making like a spiraling up emotions. If we truly allow it to be without judgment, usually emotions can be there not more than 1 minute or 2 minutes. But as you probably know, I mean, at time, unfortunately, it takes longer time. And sometimes we ruminate, we amplify that in our own because of the judgment, because of lack of compassion, because of our inability to stay with the emotions. So staying with that, allowing it to be, being non-judgmental, and cultivation of self-compassion, and understanding that this is human emotions. The fact that it is historical and we carry that, it doesn't mean that it's appropriate to the moment that you have that emotions like anger, which is very difficult to deal with.